In today's video, we are going to show you how to check in online for Japan Airlines, also known as JAL. Online check-in saves you time at the airport and lets you choose your seat early. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do, open your favorite browser and go to the Japan Airlines website. Now here, all I have to do is click the check-in tab. Okay. Now, for the online check-in, alright, this is basically available from 24 hours to 60 minutes to the departure. I want you to click on it. Here, all I have to do is very simple. Enter your booking details like the booking reference number or if you have a ticket number. If you're using the ticket number, provide the ticket number. That's going to be like a 13-digit code. And of course, the departure date. You want to make sure that all of the information is correct and your family name as well, plus your given name. I'm gonna type in the names here, okay, and of course the airline code and the flight number. After doing all of these, all I have to do is very simple. Click the continue button because this will forward you to a new page. If a seat selection is available, pick your preferred seat. It could be like window, aisle, or middle. And of course, confirm your selection. Proceed to the next step, which is going to be about baggage and travel information. Confirm if you have a checked baggage. It's also very important to understand that you need to have a passport, validity, visa requirements, and accept the terms and conditions. Alright, so once check-in is complete, you can download the boarding pass, print it, save it in your phone. You may also receive it via email. Alright, important reminders, online check-in is again usually opens 24 hours before departure. And if you are checking in baggage, you still need to go to the JAL bag drop counter. Arrive at the airport early, especially for international flights. And basically that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.